It is equally important to know why you should invest in mutual funds. Here I am going to tell you top 10 reasons why you should invest in mutual funds. For those, mutual fund is a new word. At the beginning, you should consider mutual funds as one of the many investment options available to you. Similar to other investments, you invest your money to buy mutual funds. Your investment returns is based on the fund performance. In the coming videos, I will explain you in details about the mutual funds. Here you may not be able to understand few terms mentioned in this video, but it is okay. As you will progress with the learning, it will become clear to you. Let's first look into the top 10 reasons why you should invest in mutual funds. First, expectation of higher returns to fulfill financial goal. The prime objective of investment in financial instruments are to receive higher returns. There are traditional instruments which are quite popular among the people, but the main drawback is return. For example, fixed deposit is popular, but if you consider the inflation rate too, to calculate the net return, then return is surprisingly very low. Mutual funds provide a way to reach out to variety of market linked products. Most of the time, mutual funds have delivered superior return as against traditional investment options. Equity funds, which is one type of mutual funds, have delivered more than 10% returns over the last 10 years. Second, professionally managed by expert. Mutual fund schemes are managed by qualified and experienced fund managers. Fund managers are skilled professionals when it comes to making investment decisions. Their expertise to understand the market and making right decisions are key to get the higher return. Fund managers' performance are measured by the fund performance. This is another reason why they are very much focused when it comes to investment decisions. For the investor, it is like hiring of a professional service. Third, diversification. One of the main benefits of mutual fund is diversification benefits. As per the investment objective of the scheme, fund manager invests the investor's money in buying a basket of securities. It means that investor money is not invested in single securities but in many securities, hence diversify the risk. Point 4. Transparency. Though investors are not part of the decision-making process of security selection, but it does not mean that they will not know where their fund has been allocated. Mutual fund schemes portfolios are publicly available, so investor can go to mutual funds asset management company websites and can check the list of securities and their allocation. Fifth, stock market investment without Demat account. Demat account is mandatory for buying stocks from stock market. There are open-ended equity fund schemes which can be bought directly from the AMC, asset management company. When buying mutual fund schemes from the AMC, there is no need of Demat account. Fees like transaction fees, brokerage account maintenance fees, STT, etc. can be avoided. Sixth, liquidity. Liquidity is another factor which plays an important role while making investment decisions. Liquidity refers to how easily you can liquidate your investment to get your money back. For a moment, think of land investment. If you want to get your money back, it is not so easy to sell the property and get the amount credited in your account. Most of the mutual funds are liquid. 7. High value stock in portfolio. Investor can buy mutual fund scheme with very low investment amount. It is not that the minimum investment is based on the securities in fund portfolio. There is no relation between the security price in the portfolio with the investment amount. It means high value securities can be bought using mutual fund route. 8. Tax benefits. Equity linked saving schemes, popularly known as ELSS, are mutual fund schemes which offer dual benefit. As investment grows, it offers good return to the investor, at the same time tax benefit. 9. Safety. Even though mutual fund investment itself is subjected to market risk, it means that the return may vary, but it is not that the mutual fund company can take your money and run away. Mutual funds are formed as a trust. In later video when I will talk about the mutual fund setup, then you will get to know that how investor interests are protected. 10th, set up systematic withdrawal plan. Another advantage of mutual fund investment is its systematic withdrawal plan feature. Under this feature, investor can set withdrawal amount in a systematic manner, like withdrawal of a fixed amount every month. This feature is ideal for retired person. Withdrawal frequency could be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly, etc. So you please note down these 10 points so that you know when you will make investment in mutual fund, why you are making it.